Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube videos. Today I am going to reveal about keto diet. What is keto diet? The keto diet is a diet that is carried out by adopting a diet that has a high fat content but low in carbohydrates. The keto diet is carried out by reducing carbohydrate consumption and increasing fat consumption so that the high amount of fat can make the body condition reach the stage of ketosis. This stage of ketosis aims to burn fat as the main energy source and convert fat into ketones in the liver so that it provides energy to the brain. The keto diet is popular because it is considered fast weight loss but still has its pros and cons. This diet is considered dangerous to health if not done properly. Benefits of the keto diet. The keto diet is recommended to be done under the supervision of a doctor so that health can be controlled, and its development monitored. In the beginning, the keto diet was used to treat some diseases to reduce the onset of seizures in patients with epilepsy who were not successfully treated with medication. The keto diet can work to control blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. The keto diet can be done by consuming foods that are healthy fats such as salmon, nuts, and avocados. By consuming it, the body can improve its performance in storing and processing energy and cause relief of the symptoms of diabetes. People who follow this diet are advised to check their sugar levels daily to control their diet and prevent ketoacidosis. The keto diet is also able to relieve the symptoms of epilepsy in children, reduce the risk of heart disease, and the risk of nervous system disorders. With the consumption of healthy fats can reduce the risk of heart disease because this diet is able to lower insulin levels so that cholesterol in the body also decreases. In addition, the keto diet can also address disorders of the nervous system such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and sleep disorders. Other benefits after doing a keto diet can reduce acne, help treat PCOS, inhibit the development of cancer, inhibit inflammation of the gout. Recommended foods for the keto diet. The key to your keto diet being successful is the importance of reducing your daily carbohydrate consumption in large amounts. The diet in this standard ketogenic diet, includes a diet of 75% fat consumption and 20% protein consumption and 5% carbohydrate consumption. For a high-protein diet, high-protein ketogenic diet, includes the consumption of 60% fat, 20% carbohydrate consumption and 35% protein consumption. Foods recommended for the keto diet are foods rich in fat, among others, eggs, tuna, salmon, vegetables, nuts and grains, avocado, salt, pepper, olive oil, meat. The keto diet is recommended to be done in the short term, ranging from 2 to 3 weeks to a maximum of 6 to 12 months, limited to reducing body fat and improving health, followed by a healthy lifestyle. However, if doing this diet is recommended to consult a doctor to reduce the risk that can endanger health. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my cute video next time.